The version support lifecycle defines the expectations for technical support and maintenance services that are provided for each support phase. Technical support includes online support resources, online learning content, phone and email support, and the ability to submit service requests. These services are available for current and supported versions. Maintenance services include new features, enhancements, maintenance fixes, and new environment certification. All these services are available for the current version phase, and maintenance fixes are available for the supported version phase.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.